My Ruby Goldberg machine. Step 1. Phone vibrates. Step 2. Ball is knocked into tube. Step 3. Ball goes down the tube. Step 4. Ball bounces against the backboard and down to the other box. Step 5. Ball rolls into dominoes. Dominoes roll down for step 6. Step 7. Dominoes hit the stitches and cut the rope. Step 8. Ball is released and drops down. Step 9. Ball hits the bucket. And step 10. Bucket pops the fist.
The first law of motion is that an object stays at rest until a force acts upon it, or an object stays in motion until a force stops the object. Here the ball is at rest until the vibrating phone pushes the ball down the tube. The force needed to move this ball is Newton's second law, which is force equals mass times acceleration. The force must be equal to or greater to the ball. Newton's third law is every action has an equal and opposite reaction. The phone pushes on the ball, and then the ball pushes back on the phone with the same force. Momentum between a closed system, which is two objects with no outside forces involved, will remain constant until external forces act upon the object. This law of reciprocals acts just like Newton's third law. It can mathematically be described as mass 1 times initial velocity 1 plus mass 2 times initial velocity 2 equals mass 1 times final velocity 1 plus mass 2 times final velocity 2. When two objects collide and apply equal forces, it can be described as force 1 equals the negative force 2. Also, impulse is the change in momentum at any given point. Here the dominoes are lined up and their initial momentum is 0. After they knock down, their final momentum will be 0 because the final velocity is 0. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot either be destroyed or created. This means the total amount of energy in a system is constant, but energy can be converted into different forms such as kinetic and potential energy. Potential energy is stored energy at a certain point. Kinetic energy is energy that is moving energy. When the ball is at its highest point, it is all potential energy and no kinetic energy. But as the ball falls, the potential energy converts into kinetic energy. Once the ball is on the ground, all the energy is kinetic. No energy was lost in the process.